As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, so I'm looking at these two portable grills, the Charbroil Grill2Go X200 and the Napoleon TravelQ 285X. What are your thoughts?
Okay, I've taken a look. Right off the bat, the Napoleon is significantly bigger and heavier. It weighs almost 58 pounds compared to the Charbroil's 20 pounds. That could be a deal breaker if you're really looking for portability.
Yeah, that's a big difference. But what about cooking space? Is the extra weight worth it?
The Napoleon has a cooking area of 285 square inches, while the Charbroil has 200. So you get a decent amount more grilling real estate with the Napoleon. Plus, it has two burners versus Charbroil's single burner, giving you more control over the heat.
More space and heat control sound good. What about power?
The Napoleon boasts 12,000 BTUs, while the Charbroil has 9,500. More BTUs generally mean quicker heating and higher maximum temperatures.
Okay, Napoleon seems to be winning on performance. What about build quality and features?
Both have stainless steel components, but the Napoleon includes porcelainized cast iron cooking grids and a griddle, which is a nice bonus. It also has a scissor cart for easier transport, which might offset the extra weight a bit. The Charbroil uses TRU-Infrared cooking tech, which claims to eliminate flare-ups and cook food more evenly.
Interesting. I saw some reviews mentioning the Charbroil gets really hot. Almost too hot.
Yeah, some users have noted that. The Napoleon's two burners might give you better control in that regard. Plus, it includes a temperature gauge, which is always helpful.
What about the downsides? Is there anything that really stands out?
Well, the Napoleon seems to have some issues with missing parts, specifically the griddle. The Charbroil seems to have a more consistent experience, judging by the higher rating and larger number of reviews. Also, the Napoleon is a lot more expensive.
Okay, so the Napoleon is more powerful and has more features, but it's heavier, more expensive, and might have missing parts. The Charbroil is lighter, cheaper, but might run a little too hot.
Exactly. It really depends on your priorities. If you need maximum portability and are on a budget, the Charbroil is a solid choice. If you want more cooking space, better heat control, and don't mind the extra weight and cost, the Napoleon is the way to go.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.